Hi there, my beautiful Scorpio friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading for the week commencing 18th of November. So it is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Scorpios. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. If you will like my reading, so please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Let's begin. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Okay. Okay. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our beautiful Scorpio for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our beautiful Scorpio for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our beautiful Scorpio friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Right, I can feel it in here that for most of you are having a spiritual awakening. And I can see it in here that you are surrounded with spirits, okay? And you are divinely protected, okay? As long as you will not do something against, something bad that will affect your spiritual journey, okay? Do something um, spiritual activity. Yeah, compassion to others. Yes, you are an empath. Yes. Um, okay. For those who are suffering from an illness, okay. I can see it in here that the Scorpio are suffering from terminally ill. Who are terminally ill, just don't give up. Stay strong and um believe in miracle, okay? And um, try to do something that is listening to a Reiki music like this. What are my background music to heal your mind, body, and soul? Okay, yeah, and um, talk to the spirits. Um, what they want you to do, because for some of you who are suffering from an illness, um, because I've been through to that. Try to talk to the spirits because it's just like those who are ignoring the spiritual power. It's a life test for you. Okay, trust your intuition. It's very mysterious, strange that is happening in your life for most of you. So speak to your spirits, okay? And ask them that even they can pop in your dreams, okay? We are in a Scorpio season. Remember, this is our season. So we are, I'm also Scorpio. I'm a Scorpio sun, Gemini moon, and Aquarius rising. So we are very powerful at the moment spiritually. So use your intuition, trust your intuition, and speaking to the spirits because you are surrounded here with spirits. There are bad spirits, but the good ones. For those who are, in a right path, those who are doing good things, then good spirits are with you. For those who are lost, doing bad things, yes, please try to stop that, because I can see it in here that there is a spiritual attack on you. Yeah, you will suffer from misfortune, illness. Yes, yes, yes. So please try to try to change to a better one. Okay. Um, for those who are suffering a bad asthma attack, and I can see in here there are some who suffering from lung cancer, bowel problems, bowel cancer. Then my prayers for your fast recovery. Believe in miracles, and I've said um, others are in the healing period at this time. Try to avoid um, um, chaos situation, to avoid absorbing negative energy. Okay, for some of you, um, there is a life changing events that is going to happen in your life, and new beginnings is here. There is a new era, yeah, that is going to happen, new chapter of your life. And for those who are dealing with disputes, yeah, fights, there's a big win in here, as long as you are the right one, you are fighting for the right. Okay, there is a major decision in here that you need to make. Okay, follow your instincts, trust your intuition. Okay. Okay, the bottom of the deck is Jack of Hearts. Okay, this is a younger person, water sign energy that is really, for some of you, it is you're a real friend who is on your side. Even if you are on at the bottom, I mean, who stayed with you on your downfall. For those who are on a downfall moment, okay, this person is really loyal to you, a good friend of you. Okay, and for some of you, you are in a healing period now, and you're feeling better. Okay, and after that, you will have a new era in your life. Okay, new beginning is on the horizon. Okay, oh my God, it's strongly in my, yeah, the spirits that is really you're surrounded with good spirits, my dear Scorpio. Oh, this card is indicating a jealousy, some ill will, people around you. So this is a cautious card to think first before making any decision, because there is a major decision that I have mentioned earlier on, isn't it? So please think wisely. Okay, seek an advice if you need an advice from an expert. If you are dealing of something that you feel like you are not, you want someone who really knows that. Okay, don't hesitate to seek an advice from an expert. Okay, so oh, right. Okay, for some of you, we're involved in a third party relationship. This is a third party relationship, but I can see it in here that you just realize that this is just only a a burden into your life, so you have decided to leave that chaos situation. You are right, because that is really a negative energy. Okay, yes. So six of gloves, it says in here that is only temporary. Any oppositions, any obstacles, any difficulties, you will overcome that now. Okay, it was just only a blessing in disguise. And also, for some of you, were surrounded by negative people. As I've said, so because you are an empath, yeah, you are an intuitive, you were absorbing their negative energy. So especially for those who are depressed, and also if for those who deal with third party relationship, then it just really give you a negative energy in your life. And see, two of clubs, this is an infidelity, a break in a relationship, someone deceived you, right? So for some of you, those who are in a relationship or in a marriage a situation, and someone, you can feel it and you will find out the truth. Okay, it will be revealed to you that your behalf, your loved one, or for those who are in the job, you will find out that someone cheated on you, backstab on you, okay, saying against you. Okay, so with this, don't be affected. And um that's why there was a major decision that you need to make and think wisely. As advised, this is the one. Okay, think, think, and think. You need to have enough rest. Okay, so that you will make that decision that you will not regret later. I think this is more on a romantic life. Yes, a break in relationship. Okay, that major decision connect to this. Okay, because you will find out and the truth will be revealed to you that your loved one, your behalf, was um, playing around behind your back. Okay, as a Scorpio, we are we are the detective among the zodiac signs. Even if they will make it or keep it as a secret, it will still be revealed to us. No, we are the investigator. And after that, after your healing period, for those who are on the healing period, then the prosperity, the wealth, life is now coming to you. Okay, you will be getting more money. Unexpected, huge amount of money will arrive in your door. Okay, yes. Scorpio, if for those who are dealing with life challenges at the moment, don't give up. Don't give up. Because we always transform. We always transform. Remember that in the major arcana tarot card, we are number 13, death, and number 16, the tower, right? So we always transform. After that, we are always having a better life that compared what we were before, what we had before. Okay, so believe in yourself. See, wow, both two aces after that difficulties. Okay, two ace of diamonds. There will be a positive change. You will receive a good message about money and gain in your life. You will be making more money, receiving more money. You will get a ring for those who were betrayed and had a breakup, or for those who are single. There is someone who is really destined. So that's why this person was taken out of your life, because someone is really destined for you. That's how it works. Yeah, destiny. Okay, so do not let yourself be affected with this depression. Depression, personal loss, sadness, loneliness. Okay, now try to move on with that. Okay, it's about marriage. This one, you will get a ring and a message that um You will start for those who lost their job, then you will get a new job that is with passion. You will enjoy that job. You will love it and you will have more money in that job. Okay. You will receive a letter of approval, or a letter that you are hard, you will approve, you were you those you know, you were accepted. You are now starting new things, and you are now walking into your right path of your life. Okay. And see, you five of clubs, you will be meeting new people, new alliances. And I've said new love interest in here, and new marriage is on the card. Okay, my dear Scorpio? So good luck, good luck. So let's go to the tarot cards. What are the messages from the spirit guide that has in store for my dear fellow Scorpio for the week commencing 18th of November? So do not be sad, do not be lonely. It is our season, remember. Okay? Do not be sad, do not be lonely. Try to move on. Okay, divert your attention to something that will make you laugh. Okay, let's see. Right, the bottom of the card is Seven of Wands. Standing your ground. Wow. It says in here, it's a yes card associated with Leo and Sagittarius energy and aligned to, what is this? Solar plexus chakra. So for those who are waiting for something like approval, acceptance, you know, any sector, career, business, any sector, okay, um, house, car, application, what else? Legal issues like that, you can have it. You're going to have it. You are going to have it. Standing up for beliefs. Yes, believe in yourself. Fighting your corner. You and then protect yourself. Defend yourself from negative energy as well. Okay, so you have this stamina dealing with those matters. Okay. Oh, it's a reverse card. It's transition. All right. It says in here, for some of you who are oh yeah, remember in the beginning of the day that it says you are surrounded with some ill will people who are jealous to you, and you were warned to um think before making any decision. It says in here that trouble is coming, but please remember that do um it's just only a life challenge on you. Okay, so for those who are feeling like you feel like there's lack of progress, don't give up. Okay, believe in yourself. Keep on going, because i I am telling you, there is always a light in the end of the tunnel. Okay, we always transform. So if you are at the bottom, keep going, because you will be on the top. Okay, very soon. Okay, there is another reverse card of the Hierophant. There is challenging tradition, unconventional lifestyles, unconventional relationship that you are dealing with. Okay, so stay strong, be optimistic. Okay, and then just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Those who are spiritual warrior, stick on that and believe in miracles. Okay, believe in magic. You are surrounded with spirits. You are divinely protected. It is just only a little life difficulties. Okay, if you feel like it's uh, really you are having bad luck moment, no. Yeah, they want you to be strong. Okay, and call your spirit, speak to your spirits, and ask them what to do. Show to you what to do. Okay, let's see what is the angel message for you, my dear Scorpio, for the week commencing 18th of November. Mm. Let's see what is the bottom of the card. Nine of fire. Don't give up. See? See? Don't give up. Protect that which you have created. As I've said, for those who are feeling like there is lack of progress, yeah, protect that which you have created. Have courage and believe in yourself. That that's those words came up from my mouth, isn't it, earlier on? Yeah. So please don't give up. Believe in yourself. Number 15. Ego, Archangel Jophiel. It says a false sense of entrapment. So if you feel like there is lack of progress, there is and you are trapped, there's a false sense. It says in here. Being overly focused on material things. Mm. Being overly focused on material things, my God, that I think, yeah. I feel guilty with that. Negative or fear-based thoughts. Okay, so try to be optimistic, as I've said. Try to be positive. Okay, and as I've said, speak to your spirits what they want you to do because you are overly focused on material things, and you know you are a spiritual individual. Okay. So you may be for some of you because you were busy working, getting money. You forgot to pray. You forgot to be grateful to the universe and to God. Please stop and say thank you for all those blessings. Okay. Do not forget them. Be always grateful. Okay. Let's see what is the animal spirit message for you, my dear Scorpio, for the week commencing 18th of November. Okay. Right, the bottom of the card is King of Spring. Lion is a Katanga lion. It says in here, inspiring, dramatic, ambitious, wise. Now's your moment to step up to a leadership role. Don't back away from the spotlight, as your plans will be successful so long as you stay focused upon the big picture. So, continue. Go with the flow. Do not feel like you are trapped. Number two, the High Priestess. This is a very mystical, okay, major arcana. Number two, the High Priestess is an owl. Oh, that is us. Owl. Wow. This is a time to pause and reflect. See, it came from my mouth again. Time to pause and reflect. Give thanks to the universe and to God. Any blessings that you, small and big, be thankful. Okay, don't forget to be grateful to them, to the spirit guides, your spirit guides who is helping you. Okay, not to take action. Trust in your spiritual gifts as nothing is hidden from your divine intuition. What a beautiful message for us. Okay, I feel like okay, for those who are seeking message from the spirit guides regarding your job, career, and business, let's see um what is the message that has a store for you from the career cards. Okay. Okay, the bottom of the deck is It's illumination. Something hidden is coming to light now. Wow. Going to happen. You find out about new jobs, opportunities, and options. Someone lends you a helping hand. See? See? As I've said, ask your spirit guides for help and ask what they want you to do. Relationships, business partners, official love affairs, and communication with coworkers are highlighted now. Make choices with extreme care. See in the beginning of your card, cautious card, make wise decision. Trust your intuition, follow your instinct. Be very, very, very cautious. Okay. For those who have one question that is seeking a yes or no answer, think about it now, please. Okay. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, um, like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. It's a no in the bottom of the deck. No card. Feeling fragmented, cracking under pressure. As I've said, for those who are dealing with hardship at the moment, please don't give up. Okay, it's a yes card. Yes and no. So maybe it's a maybe answer. Okay? So if you feel like you need to do that now, okay, do it. Valuable experience worth your time. Profit. You will profit that. You will profit that. Okay? So, good luck on your life's journey, my dear fellow Scorpios. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.